Hi, I'm Eli from FranFunnel. So what are the charts on your FranFunnel homepage? One of the key principles FranFunnel prides ourselves on is giving you an exceptionally high amount of data for you to feed back through your sales and marketing decisions. The best place to go for data is what we call the export. You're able to download all your lead data and get the answers to all the questions that you would ever want to have. However, we understand that it can be quite onerous to get data that way. That's why we provide you snapshots that are making the data as useful as possible for you to do rapid analysis. We want to provide snapshots across various periods of time for instantaneous looks at your performance. First, how are things going right now? And the best way that we can help you with how things are going right now is that 2-week chart on the right. This is a trailing 2 weeks of contact and engagement rate. That's kind of the hero number, which we always want in front of you. In addition to the instant snapshot, we want to give you an idea for how you're performing both month on month and year on year. A helpful way to think about this data is that you are constantly competing against your past self. You want each month to be better than the last, and the same for a year on year look. And you can see that as time goes on, the current and past time periods are compared to one another. You can see how many leads you've had real conversations with. Obviously, we'd like the current lines to be tracking above the last month and the last year. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is give you access to the most useful information as quickly and easily as possible.